Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video, and today's video we're gonna be showing the behind the scenes of Sana Ako Na Lang, which is covered by me, and the song is by Millie Parfit, I don't know how you pronounce it, um, of Niji Sanji. So basically, uh, the first part here is the Sana Ako Na Lang instrumental. So where you can get that is if I go to youtube.com and search for Sana Ako Na Lang here, and then if I go to here, the original video, I go to the SoundCloud link, and then um, someone posted the link for it in the Google Drive here. This is where I downloaded it from, and then next up is the vocals. So primarily, what I did with vocals is I'm just using my regular Red Dragon microphone. So you could already tell that my microphone was not that great when I was singing this. So I had to make do on what I have to cover this song. So basically, this is the microphone that I use, the Red Dragon GM100. My microphone level is at 88 with the microphone boost at 0.0. And if you guys are interested in how on what I use to record the vocals, I just use Audacity. It's a free open source software, really. Um, I don't think I have the project anymore. I mean, I might be able to open it maybe. It just crashed. Oh, there it is. If I go to open here, I think it's this one maybe. I'm not too sure though because I'm trying to find. Was it this one? Sakuna ko na lang. Because it's one of these. Oh, where is it? It's just this one. So basically, this is the whole project file. You can hear this. You can see that I'm the one who's saying this, and the auto setup here. I just put recording device as my main microphone, playback device as my earbuds, and enemy stereo channels. There's nothing really in here. These are just default settings because I never really use Audacity. So yeah, I just use Audacity for the vocals, and when I was singing the vocals here, I have the instrumental on. So if I go to, where is it? I have the instrumental in the background, and then I have Audacity on my second monitor, and then I just press record on Audacity while this is playing, so I can sing to the tune. So that's how it's a little bit sync. Some parts are unsynced if you couldn't already tell. There are already editing errors here, so you can see how it's a little bit sync. There are parts that is kind of broken. For example, the some of the subtitles are flipped. For example, this one, even though Filipino is supposed to be on the top and English on the bottom, for some reason on this one I put Tagalog on the bottom and English on the top. Anyway, so yeah, I just put the instrumental here first. I label the track as instrumental, and then I put the vocals here on the bottom, and then just try to sync the vocals with the instrumental itself. Alright, so next up is the text subtitles thing. Um, really, all I did was just go to the titles here and then just use text, and then I just put it like this, just like that, and the font I downloaded this font because I was trying to find the font for this video right here. I was trying to find what font for this video, but I just decided to just get another font instead that's close enough to a good font for this. So I just chose Hello Day, and the font face is regular. Here's the hex code if you guys want it. But yeah, 1920. So yeah, for the Filipino subtitles, the Y positions on 1924, you can see. And for the English one is 226 Y. Uh, really, it's just regular font face, 96 size. I don't really mess with any of these settings. I don't mess with animations or whatever. For this one though, I also just use the regular title, and you can see that how it's working. If I just delete this, it goes like this. But yeah, that's how the font works. That's how I did the font, the subtitles and whatever. And for the Chibi Zeb itself is, I I got Miss Kanaki to make the art for me. Obviously, I have to pay her 150 pesos for it. But yeah, uh, this is what the Chibi art looks like. Looks pretty cute, honestly. You can see how if I cycle between both of these pictures, that these are 2 frames, and the original versions were in tan. It just looks like this. Originally, but we decided to go with more of Maria's style, which is just pink, and we couldn't really find a good background color for tan, so we might as well just did pink. And then we also have this other frame for the last part. So you know how uh, you guys can see that there's 2 of these. It would just like cycle through those, and then if you go to the ending here, that's when the last frame. That's when the art for the last frame. That's where the art for the last frame goes. So as you can see, we have Sad Chibi here, and then we have this person. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Um, but yeah, that's pretty much about it, really. Uh, it's a pretty simple video. I just did a solid color for the background. I just go to generators, and I just go to solid color, and I just picked white. That's it. And then yeah. If you guys are wondering how I did this like 2 frames thing, well, it's pretty easy. So let's just put it in here, for example. So we put the first part of this here, and then the other frame I put it here. Now, wait, sorry. The next frame I put it on top here. The reason why I did this is I could just select both of these, and then I could just Control B this, so it would trim into the same sides. And I can just press backspace and put this other one here. And as you can see, now we have 2 frames. I just do Control C, and I put my timeline bar here, and I just did Control V multiple times. Oh, there we go. There we go. It's lagging a little bit because I'm recording, but that's how I do it. Really, that's about it. Just Control V, and then yeah, that's pretty much how I did it. So now you can see how it looks like this, and if you look at the video exactly, it would look like this. The frames are switching. And now for the deliver settings, I just use the format as MP4, codec as H.264, encoder is native, and the project is in 4K Ultra HD with 24 FPS. I put the quality to 20,000 kilobits per second. The reason why is the video doesn't really look that blurry, because it's not like it's fast moving objects video. It's just like a lyric video mostly. And if I go to project settings here, yeah, here's the settings that I use: square, 24 FPS. Video monitoring is HD 1080p 24. That's pretty much about it, really. So yeah, that's how I edited the video. I just click deliver, add to render queue, and I get this rendered video. I just open file location here, and then there we go. This is the original file.